The smartphone as we know it is dead. For the last 5 years, you've been told that every new iPhone is the best one yet. But deep down, you've felt it. The incremental updates, the slightly faster chips, the same titanium frame. You've been waiting for a reason to actually care again. Well, it is April 2026, and the silence from Cupertino has finally been broken. The leaks coming out of the supply chain aren't just whispers anymore, they are a roar. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is not another S-year upgrade. It is the moment Apple finally stops playing it safe and pulls the trigger on the most radical redesign in the history of the device. We are talking about the invisible notch. We are talking about a variable aperture camera that physically moves to mimic a professional $5,000 cinema rig. We are talking about the A20 Pro, the world's first 2nm chip that is so efficient, it might actually give us the first true 2-day battery life in a flagship phone. But there is a secret buried in the schematics, a specific change to the Face ID array that is currently dividing the engineer community. Is Apple about to kill Dynamic Island just as we got used to it? By the end of this video, you aren't just going to know the specs. You're going to understand why the 18 Pro Max is the end of the road for the slap-style phone. We are diving into the dark cherry finish rumors, the 12GB RAM jump that is mandatory for Apple Intelligence 2.0, and the truth about why the standard iPhone 18 might not even launch this September. If you've been holding on to your iPhone 13 or 14, waiting for the one, this is the moment you've been looking for. Pay close attention, because what we found about the new C2 modem and the under-display sensor array is going to change your definition of what a phone actually is. Let's start with the face of the device. Since 2017, we've lived with a cutout. First the notch, then the pill. But the 18 Pro Max is reportedly the first iPhone to feature under-display Face ID. The infrared sensors, the dot projector, they are all moving beneath the pixels. The rumors suggest a visionary hole-punch design where only the front camera remains visible in a tiny circular cutout. But some leaks go even further, suggesting the camera might move to the top left corner, giving us a completely unobstructed 6.9-inch edge-to-edge canvas. Imagine watching a movie on that 3000 nit LTPO plus display without a single black pixel interrupting the frame. This isn't just a screen, it's a window. But the real magic isn't what you see, it's what's happening at the atomic level. The A20 Pro chip. In 2026, the performance war isn't about opening apps faster, it's about AI. With 12GB of unified RAM, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is built to run the Siri Pro engine entirely on-device. No cloud, no lag, no privacy leaks. This chip is built on TSMC's 2nm process. To put that in perspective, we are talking about transistors so small they are approaching the width of a DNA strand. This efficiency jump is what enables the rumored 2-day battery. Apple is targeting 35 to 40 hours of real-world use. For the first time, you might actually forget where you put your charger. Now let's talk about the variable aperture camera. This is the feature that has the professional photography world in a panic. For the first time in an iPhone, the 48-megapixel main lens won't be fixed. It will physically open and close between f/1.4 and f/2.8.